Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try sky blue check shirt with black baggy jeans and off-white sneakers. Next you can try grey stripe polo t-shirt with tan pants and brown loafers. Next you can try white pattern shirt with tan pants and beach loafers. Next you can try light purple polo t-shirt with black pants and black shoes. Next you can try grey striped shirt with black pants and black loafers. Next you can try yellow printed shirt with white pants and green sandals. Next you can try grey black and white check shirt with cream baggy jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try black t-shirt with blue jeans and black boots. Next you can try aqua green shirt with cream pants and white sneakers. Next you can try maroon shirt with cream pants and black slippers. Watch this video to know 35 grey outfit ideas.